Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In this video we will see the performance of demo call that I had given on 10th of June for 11th of June. 11th June was the weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and on that weekly expiry I had given call. I had given that call one day before. It means that call was given on 10th of June. So that call, you can see that detailed call you can see, and you can see this video. In this video you can see the detailed rules. If you have not seen this video, you must see this video, expiry demo call for 11th June. You will find call and the details of the rules how to trade on these calls. So this was the video in which all the rules were discussed, and this is my Telegram channel. This is my YouTube channel, Sunil Suklal Pawar. You can search Sunil Suklal Pawar in YouTube and you can subscribe this channel so that you get this type of demo calls. You will find hundreds of the demo calls given here, and all the calls are jackpot calls. You can just scroll down and see the videos. You can search Sunil Suklal Pawar, you can click on videos and you will be able to see the videos and you can check the videos. Then this is Telegram channel, Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst. You will find the link of this Telegram channel in the comment section of this video. So this is the Telegram channel. I have opened it and I am showing you just to show the exact timing of the calls given with all the details and proofs. So this is 10th of June. This is 10th June. This is Telegram channel. We can see here date and we can see here the time when the call was given. So the name of the channel is Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst. This is 10th June. On 10th June this call was given. This was the call. Nifty call option, put option, Bank Nifty call option, put option. This was the call given, and what was the timing? Timing was 10:23 p.m. means this call was given one day before, and this call is seen by almost 3,000 people on this channel. All these 3,000 people are the real traders, real and serious traders. So what happened with this call? And after giving this call on Telegram channel, I have shared this video also, this same video, so that people understand the rules in detail as how to trade these calls. So this video is also seen by almost 3,000 people. So these are all the hardcore traders of option market. So what happened? So here so check above video and listen to each sentence to understand how to trade on above calls. Every time rules are same, understand them once thoroughly. So this video is all about the rules how to trade these calls. See friends, these calls were given and then the video was shared about the rules to trade these calls, how to trade these calls. The rules have been given in this video in detail. Now this is 11th June. So next day after 9:15 the person has to trade these calls. So what happened with these calls is, we can see here. So this is 11th June. First of all, the first thing first is all the puts only activated. Nifty and Bank Nifty puts only activated, calls did not activate. Calls did not activate, only put activated. This is the 10:25. I have written this post here. Nifty call 10,100, open and high is 48.90, means it has not crossed the entry price of 103.30 till now. So we can see this is call 10,100, its high is 48.90, open is 48.90. It means this call has not crossed the entry price. So call has not crossed the entry price. this is the put 10,100. This is the post. This is the screenshot at 10:25 a.m. and open was 51. Open was 51. Low was 44.65 and high is 86 at 10:30. Almost around 10:30. The high was 86. Open was 51 at 9:15 a.m. and 44.65 was the low. So the entry in the call was, this is the put, entry was 56.98, stop loss was 29, so it has not hit the stop loss and it crossed the entry price very easily. There was a big time to take this trade. The entry was very easy and trader got a lot of time to take this trade. So this is what I have posted. Nifty put 10,100, opened at 51, then crossed price of entry price of 56.98 and hit the target of 84.95, that is at 10:30. Same with the Bank Nifty call. Bank Nifty call, this is a call 21,100, open is 224.65, high is 272.65. So the entry price was not crossed in call. So call entry price was, Bank Nifty call entry price was 352.19. So that entry price was not crossed. Entry price in call option was not crossed in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty call 21,100, open is 224.65, high is 272.65. It means it has not crossed the entry price of 352.19 till now. So the call has not crossed the entry price for whole of the day. Then Bank Nifty put. Bank Nifty put, open is 195, high is 365 and this data is at 10:30. So Bank Nifty put 21,100, opened at 195, then crossed the entry price of 251.30 and then hit the target of 323.79, high is 365. Nifty and Bank Nifty both calls have not crossed the entry price till now. Nifty and Bank Nifty both puts crossed the entry price and hit the target, that is at 10:40. So as per the rules and the rules are discussed in this video, these rules were discussed, these rules. So you can see that video to find what are the rules and you can understand the rules in detail in that video. Here we are discussing only one rule, that is if the target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost for Nifty Express. Stop loss on cost for Nifty Express and stop loss with original stop loss for fact signal. This is the rule. So as per the rule these trades were carried, and if you see this, this is the day close screenshots. So these trades were carried till 3:20 p.m. and you can see 15:30 means 3:30 screenshot, and it shows us high is 204.40 and close is 198.65. And for Bank Nifty put 21,100, high is 604.35 and close is 562. So how the trades have happened, we will see that. See, Nifty put, as per the rule, as per the expiry day rules, trade with 2 lots, exit 1 lot on target, carry other lot till 3:20 p.m. So as per that, 1 lot was booked on target. So Nifty put 1 lot, this is 1 lot, entry 58.31, target is 74.55. It was booked on target, profit was 1218. Other lot entry at 58.31, target 74.55, but it was carried till 3:20 p.m. till the close, and close was 198.65, and that is why there is a big profit of 10,000 rupees. So capital was only 4,373, but the profit was 10,000, so it is almost tripled, and day high was 204. So in Bank Nifty, what has happened? Bank Nifty first puts activated, both the puts activated, but as per rule, one lot was booked on target. So the profit was 1721, and other lot was carried with the stop loss on cost. As per the rule, if the target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost for Nifty Express, and for fact signal with original stop loss. So here this cost stop loss was hit, and this trade was closed. First time. Second time again put activated. As per the rule, you have to exit the trade when the cost stop loss is hit, and wait for other call to activate. If call option activates, then you will enter into call, and if put option activates, you will again enter into put. So here call option did not activate, and put option activated again, and that is why again entry was made with 2 lots. Why only with 2 lots and not with 4 lots? Because there is no loss. We double the quantity only when there is a stop loss or loss. We double the quantity just to recover the loss. Here there is no loss, so quantity was only 2 lots. Again entry was made in put 21,200, and 1 lot was booked on target, and that target was hit within 2 hours, and that is why other lot was carried till 3:20 p.m. So 3:20 p.m. what was the close? Close was 562. We can see here, this is the close 562, day high is 604. So there is a big profit of 5,811. Capital employed was 5,400. So capital has doubled there. Here capital has almost tripled. So this is the performance of 11th June expiry demo call, and lot of thousands of the people. You can see here on YouTube, 1,000 people have seen, 1,000 hardcore option traders have seen this video. And here you can see this call was seen by 3,000 people, 3,000 traders. So total 4,000 traders. This call was given on Facebook also. There also almost 1,000 people have seen. So 5,000 people have seen these calls live, and 5,000 people have seen these calls have given 20,000 profit in single day. Capital used was 19,000. Capital used means total of Nifty and total of Bank Nifty. So this total will not be counted, because this total was the trade exit and this was re-entry, so only once it will be counted. So these trades were carried till the end of the day, and these trades were carried till end of the day, and that is why capital employed is only 19,602 and profit is 20,000. So capital has doubled, and 5,000 traders have taken advantage. How 5,000 traders have taken advantage, I will show you. I have shared comments and feedback from some of the followers. some of the followers who have seen these calls live and they have shared like this: sir, you are the best option analyst on this planet. So this was actually on June 2 that I have shared here. This is it, 4 p.m. on same day. This trader, this follower has done this trade. So sir, you are awesome, sir, your calls are superb, whatever market up or down, but your strategy is only profit. Yesterday 7,800 profit, today 5,226 profit. So we can see it like this. So Bank Nifty put almost doubled and Nifty put tripled. This is, you can see this. This was the demo given on 11th June. This is screenshot by one follower at 12:43 p.m. Sir, since so many times watched your calls, today traded and made profit within 10 minutes. So how much profit? 18,1882 and 2787. Small profit, but the trader has made it. This is again very good system. Every TV expert failed, but Sunil Pawar surpassed. So these are the comments by the traders which we can see. Now we have seen the performance of the expiry demo call. Now along with it, I will show you the performance for Friday, that is for 12th June. 12th June, what has happened? 12th June, it was a big gap down in the market. So people are generally curious to know what has happened on that day. So that day, as per the rule, see, there is a rule. Rule is like, to all my clients, I give two type of calls. One is Nifty Express, other is fact signals. One is Nifty Express, other is fact signals. Nifty Express calls means these calls are given one day before. Nifty Express calls are pre-market calls, they are given one day before. Fact signal calls are live market calls given at 10 a.m. when market is big gap up or gap down. On Friday there was a big gap down. So what has happened there? See, here we have seen Nifty Express calls, but here on 12th June we will see the performance of fact signal calls. Why? I am telling you. As per the rule, if pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above target, and then avoid Nifty Express calls and follow live market calls in fact signal. So on 12th June, this is Nifty Express calls. This is Nifty Express. You can see these calls after login. So for login you get ID and password. 12th June, these calls, these were calls, these calls opened above the target. Nifty put opened above the target, Bank Nifty put opened above the target. So as per the rule, if pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above the target, then avoid. So these calls should be avoided. So on 12th June, we avoided these calls because they had already hit the target in opening itself. So these are the pre-market calls which are given one day before, and next day these calls were given on 11th June. So on 11th June night these calls were given. On 12th June when market opened, it opened with big gap down, and that's why puts opened above the target. Now that is why we followed fact signal calls. That is why we followed fact signal calls on 12th June. So in fact signals, these calls were given 10:26 am. Generally these calls are given 10 am or 10:15 or 10:10 or sometimes 10:20 also. So these calls were given on 10:26 am on this website, same website, equityfactor.com, and this is fact signals. So whoever client subscribes for Nifty Express, he gets fact signal for free. There is no charges, separate charges for fact signal. Fact signal is only a standby service, and these calls should be used only when market is opening with big gap up or gap down. So these calls were given at 10:26 am, and here puts did not activate. After 10:26 am, you can see Nifty put 9700 has not crossed this price. You have to see the price after 10:26 am, not the morning price. After 10:26, not the morning. So after 10:26, put 9700 has not crossed this entry price. Bank Nifty put 19,800 has not crossed this entry price after 10:26 am. You can check this on chart. So Nifty call 9700 crossed the entry price. Bank Nifty call 19,800 has crossed the entry price, and they hit the target within 2 hours. They hit, both calls hit the target within 2 hours, and as per the rule. As per the rule, if target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. not with stop loss on cost in fact signal. These calls are fact signal calls. With these calls, if you are carrying these calls till 3:20 p.m., then you have to carry these calls with the stop loss, with original stop loss. So if you are trading with only one lot in Nifty, one lot in Bank Nifty, then as per rule, you close either Nifty or Bank Nifty, any one on target, and other Nifty or Bank Nifty, whichever, you can carry till 3:20 p.m. with original stop loss. So this is the rule. So as per that rule, fact signal rule, Nifty call, Bank Nifty call, this is 9700 call, this is 19,800 call, and these calls were carried, they have hit the target. This is the entry price. Capital employed was 27,000. Target are given here. They have hit the target within 2 hours. You can check. You can check after 10:26 am when they activated, when they hit these targets. You can check in charts, and the target was hit within 2 hours. That's why these calls were carried till 3:20 p.m. with original stop loss, with original stop loss in fact signals. For fact signals, if you are carrying the trade, then you have to keep the original stop loss, and if you are carrying the trade till 3:20 p.m. in Nifty Express, then you have to put your stop loss on cost. This is the difference, and this is given in all earlier videos also. So that way Nifty call made high of day high of 339. So we can see here this is here, this is the Nifty put. You can see call, this is call 9700. You can see 12th June 15:20 as per the rule, as per exact rule. 15:20 means 3:20. Day high is 339.90 and 319.95 is the rate. You can see this put, this call, Bank Nifty call 19,800, Bank Nifty call 19,800. Time is exactly 3:23 p.m. price is 1069.95 and high is 1173.55. So as per the rule, these were the prices. These were the prices. These were the prices at 3:20 p.m. I have shared the screenshots. You can see this. This is for Bank Nifty call, and this is for Nifty call, and you can see the timing also. So as per the rule, as per the system, the profit is 18,000. Bank Nifty call made high of 1173, Nifty call made high of 339.90. But we are not calculating at high, we are calculating at the price at 3:20 p.m. And as per those price, and as I have shown you the screenshots also, the profit is 18,000. So this profit was made by the clients immediately next day. So what was clients' feedback on this? Today profit, this is the screenshot of today's profit. Yesterday profit was 26,000 profit. You are the number one advisor. This is my client's feedback or remark or comment to me. He has sent this comment to me on WhatsApp. I have received daily, I receive lot of feedback and comments from the clients and followers, but I share very few. So yesterday 26,000 profit. Today this is the profit. Today this profit, you can see it is today. Yesterday it was 26,000 profit. You are the number one advisor in India, because not for this profit, entry price, lead time is excellent. Now only I fully understood your teaching videos. Your service will continue very long years. This is the comment by one client. And here on Facebook, I have shared this post where it is, you can see here, 20th June 2017, 20th June 2017. This is a case of 2017 where this client is saying, hi sir, today was my first day, got my fees back on your first call, thank you. So I have written here, consistent performance since years. So this is the comment of 3 years back. 3 years back, this is the comment, and this is the comment of today. So you can understand the consistency in the performance. Same similar comment by the clients. So friends, we have seen details on what is the performance of my demo call. In demo call I have given 20,000 profit, and on Friday call I have given 18,000 profit. Total profit is 29,004. So if you want regular services, you can contact me on this number. You can contact me on this number. You can contact me on this number for regular services. In regular service, these are the regular services. Nifty Express, where you are given calls daily, and there are videos to understand how to trade on these calls. Fact signals, you are given calls daily. So if you want to join these services, you just contact me on this number or this number. This is the same number. So thanks friends, thanks for sharing, thanks for watching this video, and share this channel with a lot of all of your friends so that they can take benefit of these demo calls. I have given this demo call, and this demo call has given 21,000 profit. So almost 5,000 traders have taken benefit of this 21,000 profit. So you people and your friends can also take the similar benefit. You just have to share this channel to all of your friends. Thanks friends.